A freshly baked loaf of bread is one of the more enjoyable foods you can treat yourself to. Making it at home might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right bread machine, you're able to get bakery quality results right in your own home. In this video, I'll go over some of the basics of what to consider when choosing a new bread maker. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to click the link in the description to see our full selection of bread makers. To start, consider the loaf size you need. The size of the machine will correspond with the size of the bread loaf. If you're limited on counter space, you may need to choose a smaller machine. Also, consider the recipe. Some breads may require a larger capacity machine. Also on the topic of bread types, you'll want to make sure that the machine you're choosing can actually bake that particular style. Some offer control of how the crust turns out, and others have options for cooking lighter, more savory styles of bread. Having a built-in timer is another feature you may want to consider. Not only does this allow better control over how your bread turns out, but most of the units with timers built in also allow you to set a delay. Using a delay allows you to start cooking at a particular time, like the middle of the night, so the bread's ready to enjoy by the morning. One of the more important features to focus on is the number of kneading blades. It's common for vertical bread makers to have a single blade, which is fine for that style of application. But 2 blades can be more efficient. If you're looking at a bread machine for horizontal loaves, you'll definitely want to make sure it has 2 kneading blades. Lastly, if you don't have a ton of space in your kitchen, it's worth looking into a bread machine that does more than just bread. There's options available that can also do pizza dough, pasta, cake, or even jams. It's a great way to save space as well as add versatility to your kitchen. If you still have questions about bread makers, don't forget to contact one of our experts here at Apt. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.